This process will delete all your personal data. Request you to kindly take backup before proceeding. Let's learn how to factory reset Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G. At first, let's switch off the phone by holding power button for few seconds. After the phone turns off, now hold volume down and power button continuously for few seconds. When you see Realme logo, leave power button and continue holding volume down. When you see this recovery mode, leave the volume button. My channel motive is to make things easy for you, to reset any device easily. If you want to know about any other devices, please let me know and comment below. Now, select the language to English. Now in this 4 options select wipe data. Now select format data. Now, enter the verification code displayed on screen. After that, click on Format Data. Now wait for some time till your phone gets formatted. When you see Wipe Data successfully on screen, click on OK to restart your phone. That's it, your phone would be as good as new. Hope this method works for you. I take a lot of efforts making this video simple for you. To keep me motivated, I need one thing from you, to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.